Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about how you can make money on YouTube without relying on the YouTube Adsense program alone. So a lot of people think that making money on YouTube is only via the YouTube Adsense program. However, today I'm going to be sharing 3 other strategies that you can use to make money on YouTube and that I've personally used and I still personally use right now to make money on YouTube without only relying on the YouTube Adsense program. So if you guys are interested, you better stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So a lot of people think that the only way that YouTubers make money is through the YouTube Adsense program, but that's really far from the truth. Now, I did another video where I talked about how I started YouTube and how I actually started making money before my channel even got monetized. And the strategy that I was using is called affiliate marketing, where you actually create valuable content based on a product that you're trying to promote. This can be a review video, for example, of a product you're trying to promote. It can be value-based content that then takes people to a product that you're trying to promote, and just creating content based on what people are already searching for on the internet. And then when people come watch your videos, they can click on the link in your description to check out an affiliate product. Okay, so an affiliate product is basically another company's product that I was essentially promoting, and every time somebody went on to buy the product, I got paid a commission. Okay, so this is money that I was making before my channel even got monetized. So affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways, guys, to make money on YouTube. So if your channel is already monetized, this is another great way, guys, to be making money on your YouTube channel without only relying on the YouTube Adsense program. And even if your channel is not already monetized, you can still use the strategy, guys, because again, you're going to be able to get views from people who are searching for that information that you are already providing out there on the internet. Okay, so if you're putting out valuable content around your niche, putting out valuable content around something that you're currently recommending, a product that you're currently promoting right now, it becomes very easy for you to make money by just sending people to the affiliate products and generating some income. Okay, so let's say, for example, you were in the fitness niche, right? And then what you can do is you can partner up with companies like ClickBank, Digistore, JVZoo, or even Amazon. Amazon have an affiliate program where you can actually promote all the products being sold on Amazon right now as an affiliate and get paid a commission, and you can join for free, guys. So when you register with an affiliate platform, what you can now do is you can start creating fitness related content on your channel, right? So what you want to do is you want to find out what type of questions people are asking for around fitness or whatever your niche is, right? Maybe people are looking for the best fitness for belly fat reduction or the best fitness for, I don't know, a bigger bum or whatever the case may be, right? You can find out what people are searching for on platforms like Answer the Public and also Ask. If you just go there and type fitness, it's going to bring up different questions that people are already searching for on the internet around your niche. You can now use that to start creating fitness related content on your channel, and then every time somebody watches that piece of content, you can then tell them to check out the link in your bio if they're looking for the best fitness supplement, the best fitness product, or the best fitness course, ebook, or whatever the case may be. Okay, the second way you can make money on YouTube without just relying on the YouTube Adsense program, and this is great for those of you guys who already have an audience, so you already have a good followership on YouTube, is to actually work with brands. Okay, for those of you guys who don't know, I actually have a hair company that I set up in 2015 called Yes Weave, and what we did when we started the business was we worked with micro influencers. I'm talking about we were actually reaching out to people with less than 100 subscribers on YouTube that had a potential to obviously grow. They had consistent content and they were actually getting views to their videos, right? So although they were smaller influencers, brands like my brand, for example, were interested in working with the smaller influencers, and there's a lot of companies now that are actually wanting to work more with the smaller influencers as opposed to the larger brands that are probably going to charge them a lot of money and they may not get that much in terms of a return on their investment. Because if you think about it, right, the larger influencers are getting a ton of emails every single day, different brands they're working with, which can sometimes even become confusing for their audiences as well, right? If they're promoting one supplement today, the next day they're promoting another supplement. I've seen influencers getting bashed on the internet because it's like, well, you said the last skincare product was the best one, so which one is the best? You said this other company had the best skincare product, and now you're telling us that this other company has the best skincare product. So it becomes a little bit overwhelming as well, because now you have an influencer who's just putting out content because they're getting paid for it, but not necessarily because it works, and they're not really 100% dedicated to the content that they're putting out there as well, because they're just getting paid and they just have so much work to do and so much on their pipeline, and the conversions tend to be much lower as well, because now there's that element of a lack of trust. Now I'm not saying that every large influencer is struggling with this, but the majority of the large influencers are in fact struggling with this, right? They have the audience, but their audience is just not seeing those products that they are promoting. This is where you come in handy, you as a smaller influencer, you as a micro influencer with a niche audience. So if your channel is all about fitness, guys, now you can start attracting fitness companies out here that are looking to collaborate with YouTubers like yourself, right? And then you can start creating videos on your channel, and those companies can be paying you some money. Like I said, when I started my brand Yes Weave in 2015, we worked with a lot of micro influencers, right? And then we gave them some products in exchange for some content. And then when you start working with those brands, guys, other brands are going to start noticing you, right? Their competitors are going to start noticing you, and those brands are going to start reaching out to you to create content on your channel. And in exchange for that, you obviously get paid for creating a sponsored post on your YouTube channel, okay? So this is another great way, guys, that you can make money on your YouTube channel without only relying on the YouTube AdSense program. Focus on building your brand, creating amazing content, getting engagement under your posts. It doesn't matter if you have 100 subscribers, guys, or 100,000 or millions of subscribers, guys. As long as you're putting out valuable content out there that's actually attracting views, you are going to be approached by brands, or you can even reach out to them and let them know that you'll be interested in working with them. You can even start by creating content in exchange for free products, and then use that to start attracting other brands. The third way that you can make money on your YouTube channel without relying on the YouTube AdSense program, guys, is to look into print on demand merch. Majority of YouTubers now have merch, guys. Like if you go to their channels watching the videos, you're going to see links to, you know, their Printful stores, Printify stores to actually purchase some merch. That's another great way that they are making money without just relying on the YouTube AdSense program alone. So you can actually think about your niche. Let's talk about the fitness again. Now you can create fitness merch, guys. You can go to platforms like Printful.com. You can go to platforms like Canva.com, create some cool designs, or you can hire a designer to do the designs for you, or you can check out Creative Fabrica to get some ready-made designs, guys. Put them on some graphics on Printful or Printify. I recommend Printful because that's the platform I use. And then what you can do is you can set up an online store, guys, and then, you know, start sending your YouTube traffic to your online store to purchase your fitness merch. Because if they're watching fitness content, then there's a high chance that they'll be interested in buying some fitness merch, right? So now you're able to monetize from those views without only relying on the YouTube AdSense program, okay? So guys, these are 3 ways you can make money on YouTube without relying on the YouTube AdSense program alone. I hope you found this video useful. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.